Hi guys, today I want to show you how to prepare Gari in Koshe. This is one of my childhood snacks in the Upper East region of Ghana. So let's get into preparing Gari in Koshe. So yeah, I begin by cutting my vegetables, okay? Usually use only onions, but then I need this Gari in Koshe to be more colorful and attractive. So I am adding those bell peppers, okay? The green, yellow and then red bell peppers to garnish it so well. So yeah, I just finished cutting the vegetables, and then yeah, so I have my gari, half cup of gari, and I'm going to be using warm water to soak my gari. I'll go ahead to mix it so well. Make sure you mix it so well that you don't have dry gari underneath. Yeah, I am using warm water because I need it to form those starch. I really need the starch because I'll be molding it into some shapes. So now I go ahead to add a little of seasoning cube, okay, and then a couple pinch of salt for taste. Yeah, you add this so that it gives you that nice taste, okay. Now I go ahead to add my chopped vegetables to it. Yeah, the vegetables is optional. You can use just the onions, and then I give it a quick stir. So right now you will have to try to pinch it together to see if it will form a dough. If it doesn't form a dough, that means the water is not enough. So after this, I go ahead to add 1 tablespoon of palm oil. This also gives it a very nice color, and also the taste, it improves the taste of the garin koshe. But it's optional. You can decide to use the palm oil or not. So right now I'm beginning to mold it into the shape of the gari koshe. You can mold it into round shapes, okay, just like this is the traditional way of making gari koshe. Molding, this type of molding, just press it with your fingers and then form those shapes. I decide to explore it more by using my cookie cutter to put it into a very flat shape and this nice circles. Yeah, it's optional. You can decide to make it into any shape of your choice. So guys, I'll be using vegetable oil to fry my gari nkoshe. You can fry this on medium heat. Yeah, as soon as it is hot, then you carefully drop in your molded gari nkoshe and then fry it until it is crispy, just like you are seeing. When you fry it at one side, you have to flip it or turn it to the other side and then fry that side too. Yeah, so guys, this preparation of Gari and Koshe was one of my childhood business. Yeah, we were making profit from selling Gari and Koshe. Guys, if you are loving this video, please give it a thumbs up and then subscribe if you are new to my channel. Now I am going ahead to fry the next batch of the Gari and Koshe. Yeah, if you mold it so thick, you need a lot of oil, but then if you make it so flat, then a little oil will do. So as soon as it browns nicely, I take it out from the oil. So this gari nkoshe looks like ayigbe kaklo. I don't know if I pronounce it well. Sweet ajele, please share it for sweet ajele to see this. Yeah, gari nkoshe is served with blended or grinded pepper with tomatoes with a little salt in it. Yeah, I decided to add some more fresh vegetables to make it so attractive. Guys, you are welcome to have a taste. Just listen to the crunch. It is crispy on the outside and rather moist on the inside. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Please share. Bye.